Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Valeria, but you can call me Val. Well, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I want to say first that this video is not my idea. Alissa Ashley does these makeup therapy videos. You should definitely check them out. I'll link them down below. And I absolutely love these videos, so I decided to do one for myself. For this video, I just want to talk to you guys about things going on in my life at the moment. And doing my makeup really relaxes me, so I said, why not? As you can see, I'm in my PJs and everything, so we're gonna relax today. I of course always love to start applying some skincare. I was just applying some face oil. It feels really nice on your face. If you've never used face oil, I definitely recommend it. So I just finished this quarter at school and I have a lot of free time since I'm on my break and I'm not going back home because tickets are really expensive and I don't have the money for that right now. I need to save up so I can go back home for Christmas, which is a priority for me. I am not about to spend Christmas alone. That would be really sad, and I like being around my family, so I need to save up for that. And honestly, I was trying to get some internships for the meantime, like this break, but I haven't gotten any response back, and I'm not gonna beat myself up for it. If it happens, it happens, and if it didn't happen, it didn't happen. Like, that's that. I didn't know where I was going with this look in particular. I was just going with the flow. These past few days I was feeling uninspired and, to be completely honest, kind of sad. I know, like, it's kind of weird to hear someone else say, oh, I'm sad, because you really don't know what they're going through, but I just want to express myself in this video. So yeah, I was sad. I was overthinking my future and clouding my head with negative thoughts. I was also feeling really sad because I wasn't happy looking at myself in the mirror. I know, again, a lot of information, but it's the truth. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And I decided to completely change my life around, so I started like my healthy lifestyle for real this time. Everyone says, yeah, I'm starting for real this time, like I'm not gonna stop, like I'm gonna keep going, but honestly this time it's for real. I started like the healthy lifestyle, and I know everyone has had those times when you try to be healthy but for all the wrong reasons. And this time I'm really doing it for me because I want to do it, not because someone else is telling me to do it. Because if you're like me and you have been the chubby girl in your family, family members may come up to you and tell you that you need to lose weight, or that you need to start eating healthy, or bluntly say that you look fat, and that really fucks you up. I'm just gonna say it, that really fucks you up mentally, and it's never good to hear that, because you know it. Like, if you look at yourself, you know how you look. I know how I look. I know I look fat, let's just say it like that. I know I might look like that, but you telling me to do something, it's not gonna make me do it. Even if it comes from a good place, I need to do it because I want to do it, not because someone's gonna tell me that I need to do it. And this time I'm really doing that. I'm doing that because I'm tired, I'm over it, and I really want to change my life around. And when I say I'm over it, I don't mean in the way that I'm over it of hearing people tell me that I look a certain way. I mean, I'm over it of feeling sad. I'm over looking in the mirror and feeling sad because of the way I look, or the way I feel, or whatever reason. I'm just over it, and I want to do this for myself, and that's why I feel like this is the right time, and that's why I feel happy now. Because before, I feel like I did it for all the wrong reasons, meaning that I did it just because I wanted to say, like, suck it to everyone that has ever told me something about the way I look, coming from a good place or a bad place. Like, suck it, look at me, I fucking did it. But that's the wrong reason, because you need to do it for yourself. You need to do it because you love yourself, not because you want others to love you. And I love myself so much, and now every time I look at myself in the mirror, I'm like, damn, you are that bitch. Look at you, mamacita. That's me right now, and I'm so happy. And I'm happy. I'm so energetic. I'm so motivated. I'm so excited about the future. And in general, my overall health, physical and mentally, has completely changed. My head is just in another place right now. I'm just filled with happy thoughts. I cannot wait to go back home and to see my family. And if you know me personally, I'm known as the cheerful type of girl, like the one that's always happy. And for the past few days, I've been feeling really sad, and it's the truth. Like, I'm not always gonna be happy. It's just like that. That's life. And I try to keep to myself a lot, but I'm over that as well. I need to share, because if you're going through the same thing as me, you are not alone, and I'm here for that. If you ever need to talk to me, you can talk to me, and I'm more than willing to listen to you and be a support for you. So that's my life right now. It's a lot of information, I know, and I don't have a lot of subscribers. Not many people watch my videos, but maybe one person that watches this video needs help, and I'm here for that. But let's put aside all the sad and sappy stories about my life and take a look at my skin. I've been feeling so good lately. My skin is so glowy and amazing. Oh my god, like, it looks so good. As you can see, the foundation that I use doesn't have a lot of coverage. I'm not a full face, like full coverage foundation type of girl. That's why I love the one that I use, because it really lets my natural glow come through my skin, and I love that so much. I love the dewy look, because let me tell you, I have dry skin, girl. My skin be dry like the Sahara Desert, and we do not like full coverage on this channel. I'm sorry, we don't. But we still need to apply some powder so it stays on, because again, TMI, I sweat a lot. Like, I swear that if there was some type of thing that I could put on my face so I could stop sweating so much, I would do it. Because that's the thing, I don't sweat a lot on my body. It's mostly my face, and that is really annoying. My face sweats so much, especially on the mustache area, which is so annoying. I know Botox helps with that, but I'm not about to go and put Botox all over my face right now, because I don't need it. But if there was something that I could do, let me tell you, I would do it right away, because it's really annoying. Every time I go out at night, if I ever go out at night, because let's be honest, I really like to spend my time alone and stay in my room watching Netflix shows, I don't really put on foundation, because I know it's gonna be off in a minute. Especially if I go out dancing or something, it's not, foundation is not right for me, because I'll be swiping my mustache area with my finger, and you'll see that area completely blank, and it's not cute, girl. It is not cute. Something really funny about this look is that when I was choosing the colors while doing this look, I was like, wow, green and purple. I've never done that color combo in my life. It's so pretty. Let me do it. Give you a Barney, a Hulk moment. And when I finish this look, I'm taking pictures for my Instagram story, and then I check my page, like my feed, and 2 posts down on my Instagram page, I see a look that I did like less than a month ago, and it was green and purple. I even filmed it. It was my look for BeautyCon day 2, and I cannot believe that I forgot that I did that. At least the thing, like the color is not the color, but like the makeup is different in a way. But I completely forgot. Like my mind forgets stuff, and it's kind of crazy. My boyfriend is always complaining about that, and I find it so funny sometimes because, for example, let's say we were talking about something yesterday, and then I bring this something we were talking about today, like if it's a new thing and it's something that we've already talked about, and my brain completely erased it. I don't know how that works, and I'm scared for the future now because, like, what if when I'm older it's gonna be worse? If it's bad now, I cannot imagine when I'm like 60. I'm not gonna remember the names of my kids, and that is scary. I need to start drinking something. I need to start drinking something to let the oxygen flow on my brain because it's not getting any, and I'm forgetting everything. I know this video was all over the place with everything I wanted to say, with all my thoughts, with all my sappy stories, with all my stupid stories about how my brain is not getting any oxygen. But either way, this video really came from a good place in my heart. I've been wanting to do this video for a while, but I was again not feeling inspired enough, and it's the perfect moment now, so I can probably help someone, and I really hope it did. And if it didn't, just enjoy it, the video, and I hope it was a little bit of a therapy for you as well, because it really helped me to lay all my thoughts down and hopefully help someone. That was my main goal here. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bitches.